The Down Under Lawn, the best lawn in town.
All right, welcome back to the Down Under Lawn. All right, what are we going to do today? We are going to clean up the nature strip. So as you can see, there's been lots of leaves fell down on this over the last week from the tree above. It's nearly lost all its leaves. I've been slowly cleaning these up all autumn, but this is the reason. I like to get rid of the leaves. I don't want my lawn to have any disease. I don't want it to suffocate. As you can see, there is a fair few leaves and they could blow over here, so the tree doesn't have many left. So we will clean this up and hopefully we'll only have to do this once more throughout the next couple of weeks. But the idea is we want to get rid of the leaves, one, just to stop any disease pressure from the leaves. These are only light leaves, but the big maple leaves and the oak leaves and things like that, you definitely want to get them off your lawn to stop just basically your lawn from rotting. So I know overseas, especially like in the Midwest and stuff, they do a lot of leaf cleanups throughout autumn, just so when the snow comes down, there's no leaves left on the lawn. We'll either kill it because it just suffocates it, not able to breathe, especially when the snow gets on top. But here in Australia, I just want to clean them up, stop any disease, stop any rotting of the leaves. If you've only got a few, you can mulch them in. Today we're going to do the edges. We're going to blow back what we can back on the lawn, blow some that way because we are going to do the other lawn. I've got the Bosch mower, clean them up. Thanks for watching. Yeah! So as you can see, the Bosch did a very good job of cleaning up the leaves. So I just did a few of my neighbours. We might just come back and quickly do a few more, but yeah, overall got a full catcher off about 12 square metres. So very good job. Lots of suction power.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young.
Alright, so we've just finished. There's the colour. That's the colour compared to my neighbours. And that's the little nature strip. It's gone from the worst lawn to the best lawn. So this lawn last year, if I put it up, was I did a renovation on this, and next week the winter just arrived, about 6 weeks short of winter. About halfway through autumn, winter was here. It was like 10 degrees just constantly. It was freezing, and this basically stayed a dirt area. If I can find a photo, I'll put it up. But yeah, this year, looking the goods. And there you have it. Oh, look, they're already coming back. But anyway, and there you have it. The nature strip all nicely cleaned up. So yeah, overall, this nature strip is ready for winter. We'll probably need to do another liquids, but overall, after our mini reno, thanks to it getting a little bit damaged when my neighbour mowed it, but no worries. He forced me into a renovation, which was fine. Yeah, it's come back pretty good. There's a few little bare patches, but they're actually almost filled in compared to what they were even a week or so ago. So colour's brilliant, but yeah, we'll get down some liquids, we'll get down some pure colour by lawn tips, and see how we get through winter with the small nature strip. If you enjoyed this short clean-up video, if you've got a tree that dropped lots of leaves, tell me about it. If you've got a mower that does a better job than the Bosch, tell me about it. If you help clean up your neighbour's leaves, tell me about it. Either way, drop a comment down the bottom. Very happy with the progress of this nature strip. Going to be plenty more coming right through winter into spring, so don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you get an alert every time I drop a video. Thanks for watching the Down Under Lawn. See ya.
The Down Under Lawn. The best lawn in town.